Hi guys, good morning. So here are we again trying to find what we can add to our collection. We're here at Walmart Calgary. This one is from Deerfoot City. So we already grabbed one Toyota. I'm gonna add this Samac 90 Acura NSX. And I'm gonna continue on scanning through these main lines, and then I saw some interesting muscle cars from M2 as well. Earlier, I'm gonna go back to those once I'm done checking all these main lines here, because I saw stop just restocking all these Hot Wheels main lines. I actually went here to see if they have a new stocks of those team transport, like the 2-packs, car culture. After this, I'm gonna go check all the Calgary co-ops. As I saw in our page, that regular treasure hunt and super treasure hunt, they are up now for you to grab it. But the thing is, like, there's a lot of collectors here as well, and then you have to check every time that page if the guy who is putting all these stocks for Hot Wheels already updated the Calgary co-ops here at the city. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this one, the LBWK. I'm gonna get this Porsche 904 Carrera RS, and then there's a beautiful drag mark as well. We're gonna add this one too to our collection. I can see on the left that there's a Ford GT, but I'm gonna scan through this first, and I'm not rushing because I'm the only one here as of now. It's too early for other guys to come here. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this Ford GT, and I'm gonna continue scanning all these Hot Wheels main lines, and I'm gonna go to M2 and check what muscle cars do they have for us in this store that we can add to our collections. So yeah, we're already here at the M2 section. This Torino Cobra from Shelby is really good looking car. We might add this one up, and then I'm still gonna continue on scanning this section. We might have or end up with the Chase, but I don't know. Like, I think most of here are all regular muscle cars. I haven't seen Chase or anything special from the muscle cars here in Calgary. And last time, I think I saw a bunch or couples of Coca-Cola collaboration, and not a single one of them are Chase, or I don't know. Let me know, guys. Until then, bye.